In this video, I'll show you how to view and understand your email campaign report in Mailchimp, step by step, so you can quickly see how your campaign performed and what the numbers actually mean. If you send email campaigns and want to understand opens, clicks, benchmarking and location data, this guide will help you make sense of the report without feeling overwhelmed. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. First, go to Mailchimp in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll want to look for the Campaigns section. This is where Mailchimp keeps your email campaigns, drafts, and reports all in one place. Click on Campaigns to open your list of sent campaigns. Now, find the email campaign you want to review. When you see the campaign you need, click View Report next to it. This is the main report page for that specific email, and it gives you a detailed breakdown of how the message performed after it was sent. At the top of the report, you'll see Email Performance. This is one of the most important parts of the report because it gives you a general snapshot of how your email did. Here, you can review the key results for your campaign, such as how many people opened it and how it performed overall. If you're tracking engagement, this is usually the first area you should check. Next, scroll or look through the report until you see Click Performance. This section helps you understand how many people actually click the links inside your email. Opens are important, but clicks show real interest and action. If your open rate is decent, but clicks are low, that may mean your subject line is working, but your content or call to action needs improvement. After that, you'll see Email Benchmarking. This section is useful because it lets you compare your campaign's performance against broader averages or benchmarks. It helps you figure out whether your email is doing better or worse than expected. If you're trying to improve future campaigns, benchmarking gives you a useful reference point so you're not guessing. Then, continue down to Top Locations by Opens. This part shows you where your audience is located geographically and which regions are opening your emails the most. This can be very helpful if you're planning future send times, regional offers, or location-based content. For example, if a large portion of your audience is opening emails in a specific country or city, you may want to tailor your messaging or timing to match that audience. As you review the report, take your time and look at the relationship between these sections. A strong campaign usually has a healthy open rate, a solid click rate, and useful location data that helps you understand your audience better. The report is not just about numbers, it's about learning what your subscribers respond to, so you can improve your next campaign. If you're seeing lower engagement than expected, don't worry, use this report as feedback. Try adjusting your subject line, preview text, email content, button placement, or send time. Then compare the new report with your previous one to see what changed. That's how you turn report data into better results over time. And that's it. You now know how to view and understand your email campaign report in Mailchimp. You can check email performance, click performance, email benchmarking, and top locations by opens to get a full picture of how your campaign performed. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Mailchimp guides in the future.